Okay, today I'm going to explain about FISD integration.
Ready? No. Ah, the. Ready.
Okay, let me know once you're able to see the screen. Okay. FI to SD integration. There are few steps like a scope is purpose, why we need to do why we need to understand FI to SD integration and how, and VKON assigning GL accounts, customer account assignment management, AGGC and AGGM column 5 and 6, accounting key, and a few points and journal entries. Purpose is we will proceed through VKOA to SD to understand this concept instead of directly understanding the SD concept. FI to SD integration will happen with the T code VKOA. And coming to VKOA assigning the GLs. In VKOA is the transaction code for FISD integration. If we access this code, below screen will appear. This is FISD integration point. This is the screen. There are 5 tables in this integration. At the first look, there are 5 tables for this integration. If we understand the first table, rest are repetitive. If we double click on the 001, that is customer group, material group, accounting key. This is the screen which is going to display. Here, first 4 items is here in this we have total 9 columns, out of which first 4 are simple to understand. The first 4 are application. It should be V. V is sales and distribution. Very straightforward. Second one is condition type. This is not an SD condition type. This is condition type for usage and application. And below is the KOFI and KOFK is the condition types. KOFI is account determination. KOFK is account determination with company. These two are the condition types in FISD integration. Chart of accounts and sales organization. Next columns of 5th, 6th and 7th are very important. These are SD values. Let's see where it comes from. Billing document. Where it's come from billing document. If you relate this billing document, it will be easy to understand the concept. 5th, 6th and 7th column. This is AAGC, AAGM, ACT account key. Customer account assignment group, that is AAGC column 5. This is the group. This is it. Where does it come from? Billing document is go for VF03, give the billing document and press enter. Click on the header data. If you see there are 5 tabs, that means it is a header. Enter the highlighted. This goes to column 5. This is the one. If you see, we should go for VF03 and give the billing document and press enter and click on the header. We will get click on the header. The highlighted entry that goes for column 5. Here the text is given in VKOA, number as given. Here text is given and in VKOA numbers are given. The next one is account assignment group of material maintained in material master. Column 6. Column 6 comes from line item. This comes from line item. Here text is given and in VKOA numbers are given. This is the column 5. Accounting key. Accounting key in the 7th column, it comes from condition tab. Comes from condition tab. This is the condition tab and this is the analysis. Click on the analysis. Below screen will appear. Condition type is highlighted in yellow. Go to VBAR08, select the above pricing procedure and click on control. Display V procedure overall. This is the table. Below entries will display if you see the column. There are the entries for ERL. This will comes in the column 7. Here is the entry ERL. In column 8 and 9 there are GL accounts. These GL accounts are provided by finance team. For column 8 GL is picked up and documents are posted. But for 9 it is accrual. Pointers. If you see in this billing invoice and header, under header we'll get the 5th column, customer account assignment group, AAG, and in 7th one it is here. Accounting key is AAGM is this one. Under item details, this is the 6th point. 7th one is this one, ERL. Journal entries. How journal entries are posted for SD flow is there are two types of journal entries in SD flow. Cost of goods sold entry and sales order flow entry. Cost of goods sold entries GL determination. Cost of goods sold account debit to inventory or finished goods account credit. Question is from where does GL and it almost is picked from? GL of cost of goods sold is picked from OBYC. This is from FIMM integration. Key is BSX. From here inventory GL account is picked up. GL for COGS is picked up from GBB transaction key as shown in the below. General modifier will be VAX. Here is the document. Cost of goods sold account determination. Standard price of material is used to calculate the amount. Unit divided by quantity will be multiplied with the standard price and amount is arrived. This is all about FISD integration. And if we go for SD integration, SD processes, first customer invoice, the T code is VA11, quotation is VA21, sales order is VA01, post goods issue is VL01N, delivery VL01N, billing VF01, receipt of money FB50. From inquiry to sales order, there is no accounting entry. At the time of post goods issue, accounting entry will be with the T code VL01N. Cost of goods sold account data to inventory account. Creation of billing document. We have 01 is the T code. Customer account data to sales account. On the receipt of amount from customer, bank clearing account data to customer account. This is SD process. This is all about SD process and FI to SD integration.